Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can attach files to tasks on your Google TasksBoard. Now, of course, you need to be logged into your Google TasksBoard's Google account that you use for that specific TasksBoard. And if you have any existing task, as you can see here, if you want to create a task, just click on this, but we're not going to do that. So to attach a file, it's quite simple. Just choose whatever task you want to attach that file to. For example, this new task, right? So we need to click on this one. And as you can see, when I click on it, some new options or some new icons will appear. So first one is going to be the date or calendar. Next one is going to be a label. And the third one is what we are looking for, the pin or the paperclip icon. It says attach file. All we need to do is click on this one and this pop-up will appear. So here you can choose from three sources. So you can choose from a Google Drive, shared drives if you have any shared drives, attached to that specific Google Drive viewers, or you can upload it from your PC or laptop. So for this example, we're just going to click on Google Drive, click on My Task, click Select. There you go. And as you can see, I have now attached a file on this specific task. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.